Too big, 32 pockets, large size, 16.5 inch with carrying straps and more. The Heliman Big with 11 interior pockets, 2 large on the sides, 6 on the long, and 3 on the back, with the center one with the tab that you can lay down to keep open in a square form. You have a shoulder strap with large D hooks and buckles and zippers. Handles, it's a olive green, black, and a silver. It has wire all along. It has nice large rubber feet, 5 of them, and it is weather resistant. For carpentry, HVAC, and more. On the outside, you have pockets as well, with the zipper on one side, and on the opposite side, you have open pockets, and on the sides, large pockets. Take the strap, go across, and lock on to the D hook. Extra duty and strong. We have tape measures that you could clip on to the outside or inside. Emergency equipment, drills, and more. So what we have here is showing you a demonstration of the product holding some equipment as we pull out each of the bags to the side. HVAC hoses and vacuum. God. Inside the pockets, we have a gauge and other small items. So if you're looking for a bag for carpentry and more that holds just about anything imaginable, this bag may be something that you are looking for in your carrying needs, automobile, HVAC, carpentry, and more. Thank you for viewing.